So today we did an installation for a 9-inch car specific touchscreen entertainment upgrade for a Porsche Cayenne. This is a 2012 model car. As you can see, the system is sat flush into the stock location. These are all original parts, none of the frames were also changed. So the screen's got all the features inbuilt to integrate with the existing Porsche wiring and the digital Bose amplifier. They talk to each other very beautifully. As you can see, the Bose logo out here, it basically has a Bose audio system, the original Porsche fitted one. As you can see, this is a IPS touchscreen, so very smooth performance. It's got a lot of different apps which are installed. We have more apps which we can install. It has a host of features like inbuilt navigation. It has the standard radio. Other than that, lossless music formats, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Then there is video playback, like we could watch videos on this. Steering controls continue to work as it is. So we could, browse the folder and just look for other videos and play something else as per our choice. Excellent video quality and sound quality. We've got lossless music format support, really neat sound quality, deep bass. You go browsing for music out here. So we could pick up music from a USB drive, or we could pick up music from an internal storage, whatever we have stored. Then we've got apps over here. We've got the usual music and video app copy right here too, just like what we have seen. The system also supports 360 parking system, so we can add 360 cameras to it. Right now there is no 360 system, it's just got a reverse camera, which I'll show you. If I engage reverse, we have the nice fisheye view of the back. If I turn the steering, the adaptive guidelines work. This all picks up from the existing CAN bus setup. It's fully integrated. Works with the factory sensors too. The sensor display continues to work as it is. As you can see, the top sensor display is displaying what it is. We've got inbuilt wireless Apple CarPlay on this, so we could just have music playing on this iPhone, and the wireless CarPlay could play the same thing too. So let's say car listening. So this would take voice commands too. Hey Siri, pause the music. So we could use simple voice commands to make the experience more hands-free. So I could say, hey Siri, navigate to MG Road, please.
Getting directions to NH75 Bengaluru.
So I could just use a voice command and start navigating without touching the screen. Alright. We could use Google Maps too. So we've got Apple Maps over there, we've got Google Maps over here. We could go searching, go to saved places. and just pick up a location and start navigating. It's that simple. Alright, then we could hit the car logo and it will go back to the main menus. iPhone uses the Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth for wireless CarPlay, so I will disconnect the iPhone and I will show you more features on this system now. So let's go to the iPhone. And go to settings, put off the Bluetooth, and this will ask you to disconnect CarPlay. We just hit disconnect and it will disconnect. We could go to navigation, pull up the inbuilt Google Maps, basically locate where we are, and we could start using this to basically navigate. Okay, it's asking for an update, which we can do later. Let's just say type the same destination we were trying to go to. Performance is pretty decent fast. It's got a Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Alright.
You should reach your destination by 1537.
So this is the version of the inbuilt Google Maps. So we could use the inbuilt Google Maps or we could use Apple CarPlay. Both ways it works. We've got Android Auto 2. We've got a widget on the homepage by which we could play music right from here. So we could just play. So we could pause it here, play it here. So very handy. We've got an inbuilt digital signal processor. This is quite interesting. It's got a smart base setting. Other than that, this has a balance. We can do delay, time delay, to basically create a more roomy sound in the car. There is a equalizer out here, graphic equalizer with a lot of choices. We got a loudness option. We could boost frequencies. We can choose frequency cutoffs and crossovers. So really good for modifying the sound. If you'd like to learn more about this system, get in touch with us, or you could go to evoretrofits.in. I hope you like this system and you have a nice day.